Alrighty. All right. Hello and welcome to another Super Vassar Brothers job site video. And we're doing one of my least favorite things of all time. And what is that, Josh? That's right. Painting a laundry room on the last day of a job.
Yes.
Why do I hate it so much, Josh?
It's the, because it always takes too long.
Yes, that's right. So this is what we're doing. This is a laundry closet. And we've already done the doors and everything, but it's got some spackle work where these shelves are bolted in, so we're going to leave them in because it's going to be too much of it. We've got to like scoot this along because we really do need to finish today. So we're going to leave all this stuff in, and what we're going to do first, because moving these is a pain, is that we're going to do everything north of this shelf first. So we'll be priming all of these spackle spots. And then we're going to be using the same paint, which is Duration Matte, in the ceiling and the trim, or the ceiling and the walls. And then we'll kind of worry about everything else as we go. So what I'm going to do first is actually cover up. I'm going to drop off the laundry units, and then I'm going to run some yellow tape up against the wall on these shelves. So we don't get any splatter on there, and then just dropping everything off, and then I'll be shoving myself up in that closet, because my life rules. I even said this at the beginning of the job site. I was like, Josh, you know what I don't want to do? You're like, what? I'm like, paint that laundry closet on the last day.
Well, I thought it'd be funny.
And what are we doing? What are we doing?
So sometimes Jeremy is negative. So I try to bring some positivity to the two of us.
Uh-huh.
So if you were played by a famous actor, who would you be played by?
Chris Pratt. For me, it'd be like the fat Chris Pratt from Parks and Rec.
Yes, I could see that. People say I look like Denzel. Like we have the same smile.
Like a Denzel from like Training Day. All right, so this is the inside of the closet, and I've got everything tarped off up here. It's also taped on the edge, as you can see. So now it's time to prime the little spots here and there, and then we'll start going on the walls here.
On a difficulty level, where does this closet rank out of a 10 scale?
It's not that bad. For a man of my skill, it's probably like a -2, I'd say. On like the pain of the butt scale, it's very high. So I've got everything primed on like this part here. So now I'm gonna cut in everything above this shelf. So that'll be what I'm doing now. And I will contort myself in here like a champion. You're not giving me much to work with today, Josh. You're all cereal.
I'm cereal.
Because it's the last day on the job
Well, I'm
site.
trying to make sure we get it done and push it along.
Getting
I gotta get a little looser.
Josh gets all serious sometimes. Foreman Josh,
You guys will
back
all
on scene.
be looking at pictures on your phone.
Yeah, pictures on my phone of the biggest financial purchase I have made to date. I'm getting a house, everybody. Yeah, if that 5-minute interlude is what keeps us from finishing today.
Well, it's how if it stacks. You do 5 minutes, then another 5 minutes, and you do it throughout the day.
That's true. The good thing is I'm way faster at painting than both of you, so I can make up the time. This is the exciting part. If you're ever doing this and putting some weight on the washer dryer, make sure most of your weight's on the ladder. Pro tip.
So there's this fancy thing called the internet, and you guys are experiencing it right now. I can't believe it's still around.
I didn't think it was gonna catch on.
No. This is the tricky spot up here. Very tricky. See the hand movement? Yes. Try not to get your fingerprints up there. He's doing an excellent job.
Also, if you have an opportunity to paint the laundry closet before the appliances go in, I highly recommend doing that. It makes it incredibly easy. Alrighty. All right. The second coat is dry. The second coat's drying up top, so now we're gonna move the washer dryer down here. So one of the things that Josh already did is sweep up, so we'll make sure we don't scrape anything into the floor. And we're gonna use our furniture movers to slide both the washer and the dryer out so that we can get in behind all of this stuff. So that's what we're doing now, and always a favorite part of ours.
That hurt. Right in the junk. See, Jeremy's upset with me because I told him we need to get to work earlier this morning.
I feel even. I feel much
He
better
was
now.
offended.
I feel much
So he
better
was
now.
getting equal. He was getting redemption. Yeah, this thing's not moving.
I don't know why it's not.
It's not. It looks like it's stuck on the back. Do you want to try to get this one out?
No.
And then we can.
Well, probably, yeah, that would be better.
Yeah.
Adapt and overcome. We're like
Yeah.
special forces. So we're just we can leave it swung here because I can go through the bathroom and come around.
Okay. All right.
No,
I'm gonna put it under.
put them under here. You
Oh,
butthole.
this one.
Jesus.
Sorry. I wasn't paying attention to the last part. So that's why I got yelled at by all my coaches.
Yeah.
Because they
Yeah,
said,
who's
Vassar.
yelling at you now? Us.
Yeah. But I don't get offended when people yell at me.
Yeah, it's because you're used to it.
Unlike these guys.
Do you need more?
This
of these?
thing is acting a fool. Ugh. I think we got to kind of just lift it up.
I quit.
This is what winning looks like.
This is the movie right here. These are pretty good magnets.
No, they're stuck. These magnets stick on here.
There you go.
They don't account for washers. I'm gonna put this underneath my shirt. Ooh, that's sexy. That's sexy down there. Yes, I know. Sorry, ladies.
Oh, dude.
Oh man, my ring's gone.
Lost that too.
I didn't.
He's back in the market,
I'm
lady.
back on the market.
Oh, balls.
Oh, that's not good.
Oh, it's like
He said balls.
it's
Monkey balls.
it's like in the like we're not gonna get it out of the basin. I don't think we should either.
Oh.
See that right there, folks? It's like in the basin. There's a little drain, so we're gonna have to lift the dryer or the washer out.
Because we could lift it up like this, paint this, put it back, and then paint this and get enough so it's covered. If you go like this, you're not going to see anything. And I could lift it up.
Yeah, I mean, I don't know how
This way, we can get back there.
heavy would it be?
I'm really strong.
Super strong.
Look,
Super strong.
I at least worked out once this week.
Josh is now cutting in the wall paint, and a little bit different than how we normally do it, but we're going to do the trim last on this one.
A lot of painters will paint the trim last.
Yep, that is a typical thing that they do.
And we will see them in the comments saying, oh, you should always paint it last.
The important thing is, folks, to live your truth.
Yes.
And people that keep telling me that I need to wear painter's pants.
Yeah.
My response is, I will never drive a van or wear painter's pants.
I once was approached by a van going into a Barnes & Noble bookstore, and they offered me free speaker equipment.
Was it free or were they just trying to sell it to
And
you?
no, he said, hey, bro, I have free speakers in the back. You want to come take a look?
Oh, how old were you?
I was 16.
Oh,
Innocent.
that's
young.
That's prime pickings for a
Yeah.
creepy van man.
And I was thinking, I was like, you know what? My mom would be like, yeah, son, you probably shouldn't go in there.
Yeah.
And I didn't. And that's why I'm here today.
They're not for eating.
I'm getting paid right now.
Yep.
So are you.
I'm making money. YouTube, listen up. We're turning on super thanks. So, like,
Yeah.
if you want to give us even more money, just imagine if 20 of you gave us like $100,000 each. That would be perfect.
All right.
More paint.
Kimo
Want me to
Sabi.
tilt this thing?
Yeah.
Can I tilt it this way?
Yeah. It's like,
Is there anything holding me down?
no.
No.
It's working. It's working.
It's working! It's working!
I'm like multitasking.
Yeah. Look at you holding a camera,
Look at that.
getting her done.
Getting some grade A footage.
It's like,
I know you don't like me saying that I'm super smart, but I should mention that I'm really strong.
well, that's okay. That's more funny. So when you tell people you're smart all the time, it's like, hey, dude.
They need to know.
My boy's wicked smart.
They
It's
need
like,
to
we
know.
can't verify it. We gotta just go off your dumbass comments.
I could tilt it like.
Dude, check this move out. It's gonna be awesome. Yep. See?
Let's get a wide shot just to see. Yeah. It looks like you're. It looks like you're violating the washer.
I work on a right glute clamp too.
Yeah.
You guys see too much skin back here?
I've seen the right amount.
Going back down.
Gonna owe that washer dinner after
Yeah.
this.
Are you so sweaty?
Let's watch it, cops.
Watching cops.
You can tell it's the end of the job. We're getting a little punchy here.
Wow.
Is that your elbow or your head?
My elbow.
That's smarts. How you feeling?
Feeling good.
Pretty good.
Made it.
How are you feeling, Washer? Do you feel like he treated you well?
She needs a cigarette.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't like that. It wasn't cool. No,
He didn't satisfy me. I'm emotionally unsatisfied.
I want a real man like Jeremy. Yeah. All right, walls, round 2. I'm like pretending to be the viewer. This is boring. We should do something cool. Who wants to see Josh get hit in the nuts again, huh?
Yes.
How fun was that?
Exciting stuff.
You're doing a great job. Hey, yeah. Josh gets the Spirit Award for today.
Yeah, I had to bring up everyone's spirit. But the nut shot turned it around.
We painters ride the line between chaos and order.
Yeah.
Again, super thanks. $10,000.
And subscribe or something.
Yeah.
And watch all of our videos.
Look, if all 7,000 of the subscribers gave us $20,000 in a super thanks, dude, it'd be great.
we would make 0 more videos.
I don't know what the math is on that, but
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure I'm taking a vacation.
It's over 1 million for sure.
For sure. Oh man, do
You know how hard it is to
you know
get
how bad I want to be an internet douche? I will buy pit vipers tomorrow. I'm just saying. So now it's just Josh is hitting the baseboard on the inside of the closet, and then we're gonna pull tape and push everything back.
Oh yeah. Thanks for the light, buddy.
So this is teamwork here, folks.
Yeah.
Pretty good.
Like Michael Phelps was born to swim, born to paint.
Josh, how do we get the ones out the back? For this
Oh,
one.
you gotta take them out before.
Oh,
For a man of my skill, it's probably like a -2, I'd say.
yeah. Put it maybe in
Okay, guys, I'm got it.
kitchen cabinet.
I'm going in. Hey guys, here's it. Hold up. There's one more thing I need to grab. Sorry.
Yep. Josh humped the washer. It's only fair that I hump the dryer.
Yes. We're feeling left out.
All right, so we are all done, and we got 2 coats on everything. We did a coat on the trim as well, and we're gonna close up these doors and just make sure there might be a few little touch-ups, but we'll take care of that. And that is what's up. So if you guys enjoyed this video, consider checking out one of our other ones that is somewhat similar of Josh and I screwing around and painting some stuff. So until next time, y'all take it easy, work smart, and have a good one. Peace. I really was expecting a sack tap there at the end.
Yeah, right.
All right.
Amazing.